Opportunity is a haughty goddess. It will come in handy. Now.
Remember, you're in city mode. That means no guns or masks. You're invisibles. Nico, our inside man here, left a guitar case with your gear somewhere. Over there. Your gear's in that guitar case. Great. Now you can mask up again.
Kevin.
There's sleeping gas too. Grab it. You'll need it later. Now, we gotta find out what room shares the vent with the security center. We'll use it to knock out the guards. First, get the blueprints. They should be inside the archives. They're big vault with 3-digit code. This is 1 digit. Write it down. We'll need it later. First digit for the vault code. Keep searching. We need all 3.
Kevin. 주의세, 케빈이야.
The archives will hold the blueprints. Check the staff areas. Good job. That's the second number found. Just one more.
주의세, 케빈이야.
That's them. Now scan them in and fax me a copy. I'll figure out the right vent.
케빈. 케빈.
Nice. Now go get that guest list from reception. 151. Its vent goes right to the security center. Okay, now I need a guest list. Find out who's in that room.
주의세, 케빈이야.
Reception should have a terminal with that info. Grab a USB stick.
케빈. 케빈.
Reception. Okay, we may need it later. Note where it is. Still waiting on the guest list, guys. Get to reception and download it. That's it. Downloading. Give it a moment. Now find a terminal in IT with internet access. Upload that data to me.
Spy袋配置。 케빈. 케빈. 주세, 케빈이야.
I need that guest list, guys. Send me those
케빈이야.
files.
키스케.
ID, internet access, upload, easy.
사가네, 카메라야. 케빈이야, 사가토레. 케빈. 케빈. 오르데, 케빈. 케빈.
That's it. Doing a background check now. Hold on. Okay, got him. Name, social security number, name of his dog. Find him. Check the screen and ID.
Ke빈.
Oh, he's a slot machine addict. Might be a good place to
케빈,
start looking.
사가토레. 오르데, 케빈.
Looks like his drink is getting low. Let's serve him another. With a little something added. Find the same bottle at one of the bars. Now top up his glass. As soon as he swallows, well, let's say he's going to go loud. Follow him and get the card for his
카메라야.
room.
키스케.
Got an idea. I got his phone number. I'll call him and distract him. He'll be ready to top up his glass. Great. He should be back gambling in no time. Wait for him to take a sip. Let nature do its thing. When he dashes off to the crapper, follow him and get that card. That's it, buddy. Drink it up. Now, after him. Wait till he's alone. You want a massacre here? It was number 151. Now look for a vent and get that gas pumping. Send the security to Neverland. That did it. They're all fast asleep. No need to worry about cameras from here on.
케빈.
Opening a vault needs a 3-digit code. Each digit is held by a manager, and each is in a computer briefcase. We need that code. Find them.
케빈이야. 키스케. 케빈. 케빈가 오르라. 케빈. 사가네, 카메라야. 케빈.
has the first briefcase. The pit boss has the second. And then the head of security. Need all three for the code.
주의세, 케빈이야.監視 카메라야. 케빈. 주의세, 케빈이야. 케빈가 오르라. 카메라야. 주의 싫어. 케빈. 케빈. 케빈.
The C4 is right in there. Why does the Grin need C4? God knows.
카메라야.
The owner likely keeps his in his office. The pit boss will be near the main hall. Security head probably keeps his somewhere near the locker room.
케빈이야. 사가토레.
Nice. Security chief's number. He won't be happy to lose this.
케빈이야. 키츠케이.
3 digits. Outstanding. Now head to the vault and try them out. Okay. Mask up when you're ready. You'll find the vault in the Grin Security Center. Head there. Bail him.
You executed on your plan with ruthless efficiency. I am impressed. You will hear from me when I require your services again.